In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default location targeting in Google Ads and discuss why this is an important adjustment for your advertising strategy. Whether you're looking to refine your audience or expand your reach, adjusting location settings can significantly improve the effectiveness of your campaigns. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to the homepage of Google Ads. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising efforts. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option to sign in. It's usually located at the top right corner of the web page, so go ahead and click on Sign In. If you haven't already done so, make sure that your Google Ads account is all set up and ready to go before proceeding. Now that you're inside Google Ads, you'll see an array of options on the dashboard. You'll want to navigate to the campaign section, as this is where you'll find the controls for your ads and their settings. So, look for the campaigns tab, click on it, and this will bring you to a detailed list of all your current campaigns. It's a good idea to keep your campaigns organized so you can find what you need easily. Once you are in the campaign section, let's move over to settings. This is a crucial step because it's within these settings that you'll find the options to adjust your location targeting. You'll want to locate and click on the settings option associated with the campaign you wish to modify. Here you will be able to edit various attributes of your campaign, but for now we're focusing specifically on location. Next, let's focus on keywords briefly, a section known as broad match keywords. Now this might sound unrelated to locations, but it's an essential part of your ad strategy. We won't change settings here, but it's good to be aware of its role because broad match keywords can influence who sees your ads based on their search behavior. Now we're ready for the central part, locations. This is where you refine who can see your ads based on geographical criteria. Click on locations to reveal the page where you can specify your desired parameters. You can select countries, regions, or even individual areas depending on how targeted you want your reach to be. Adjust these settings according to your campaign goals, whether that's narrowing down to a specific locale or reaching a wider audience. By fine-tuning these location settings in Google Ads, you'll be able to control where your ads appear, ensuring they reach the most relevant audience for your business. Doing so not only optimizes your ad spend, but also maximizes the chances of connecting with potential customers who are most likely to be interested in your offerings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on changing the default location targeting in Google Ads helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.